We're going to take a look at two problems from page 247. We're going to look at number 28 and number 44. It's looking a little blurry to me right now. There we go. On page 247, this is number 28. We have 5a to the third, b to the negative second, all taken to the fourth power, being multiplied by 5a to the negative fourth, b to the negative fifth, all taken to the negative second power. The first thing we're going to need to do is to simplify this expression and this expression before we multiply them together. So we have 5 to the fourth. We can just write that 5 to the fourth. A to the third to the fourth, power to a power we multiply, so this is a to the 12th. B to the negative second to the fourth, power to a power we multiply, so we get b to the negative 8th. And then we're multiplying by this expression. We have 5 to the negative second power, a to the negative fourth to the negative second is a to the positive 8th, and b to the negative fifth to the negative second is a to the b to the positive 10th. Now, since they're multiplying, when we multiply, we add the powers. So it's 5 to the fourth times 5 to the negative second. That's 5 multiplying by itself, and this is 5, 2 5s being divided. So that becomes 5 to the second here. We have a to the 12th times a to the 8th is a to the 20th. And a to the negative 8th times b to the negative 8th times b to the 10th is b squared. Leaves us with 25 a to the 20th b squared. Oops. Then we're going to go ahead and look at page 247, number 44. This is another problem that's quite similar. We have d to the negative 4.3 and v to the 1.5. It's similar because our goal is still to write it as to simplify the expression, and we want to make sure that we're writing it without any negative powers. So we have d to the negative 4.3 over d to the negative 3.7. We can do this as the negative 4.3 subtract negative 3.7 gives you negative 0.6. And then v to the 1.4 over v to the negative second becomes v to the 3.5 power. Now it says we want to make sure that we write no variables in the denominators. So when I said a second ago that we don't want to have negative powers, that would be incorrect because we just said no variables in the denominator. So that means we can have negative powers. So this would be our end answer.